Hello everyone. First of all, I would thank everyone for liking my videos and giving me very good suggestions. Here I have a video on how to use Signal app for maximum security. So let's bang on to it. To install Signal, you can go to Play Store, search Signal, and install it. I have already installed. It's not a big deal to install Signal. So after installing, let's talk about what are the different features that we have for dedicated security and privacy in Signal. So we can click here and select our profile picture as we have been doing for all other applications. This part in Signal is that even your DP is encrypted. Notifications, again, it's simple. You can switch it off for your messages and for your calls in case you do not want to be disturbed. Moving on, let's go back to privacy, the most important part that we should focus on. So here you have an option of a screen lock. That is, I've turned on already, as you must have seen that it asked me for scanning my fingerprint. So if you once you switch it on, then every time you log into this Signal, it'll ask you for the same password that you are using for your mobile phone. Next, you can set the screen lock for after inactivity of how much time you want the screen to be locked. You can set it to 10 seconds or anything you want. Then coming to screen security, it means that if you turn it on, nobody, I mean you yourself won't be able to take screenshot of Signal in your phone. Remember, here we're not talking about the messages you send to others. They will still be able to take screenshot of your messages. We are talking about your own phone. Coming to incognito keyboard, if you turn it on, it means that any application, third party application that you have installed in your computer, it shall not be able to read your keystrokes. So it is advisable to turn it on. The only minus point of this is that you won't be getting auto suggestion of auto correction words. Now coming down to communication, always relay calls. See, here we are talking about Signal, then we are talking about voice over internet protocol. So once you're connected to internet, your primary privacy is your IP address. So once you turn it on, the IP address that shall be shown would be the IP of Signal server and not yours. So you are protected that way. The only negative point here would be that your calls quality would be a little lower and it will be a little slower. Read receipts, that is very much clear, I think. It will give you a tick, blue tick or for if your messages are being read. Then typing indicator, like you have must have seen in WhatsApp that they show typing. So if you want that to be on, then others can see that you are typing. If we do not want them to know, you can turn it off. Generate link previews. If you're sharing some link from any website, then it will show you the preview. Then do you want everyone to send messages who are not in your contacts? Then you can turn it on, else you can keep it off. Coming to, I won't talk much about appearance, that is you can do R&D yourself. Coming to chats and media, here we have an option of media auto download. By default, these two are selected, but I have deselected both of them. Why? Because of two reasons. First, for cybersecurity, so that even if a image has a payload, audio has a payload, my device stays protected. Second reason is that it won't eat up my storage. When Wi-Fi, everything was selected, but I have deselected them all because of the same reason. Coming to backup. If you want to turn on backup, you have to turn on. I have already turned on, so it is, I can turn it off. Now to turn on, you have to click turn on and choose a folder. You can create a folder anywhere. Now you have to remember this paraphrase. You can take a screen because I have restricted the screenshot, so I'm not able to. So I can write it down somewhere and then click OK. I've taken print screen of my monitor, so I have it already. So I can click on enable backups and it'll be, the messages would be stored in my phone in encrypted way. Now that we are all set, let's see how to send messages. Now you can see one thing, my screen is not visible. It is not visible because I have turned on screen security. Now it will be visible. I turned off. So now say I want to send message. It gives you an option of sending disappearing messages. You can keep it off or else you can set it from 5 seconds to 1 week. There are other features like muting notifications if you do not want messages from this contact. Use Signal app with max security and privacy features.